Hello my tiny tots, how are you all? Today we are going to learn a poem in English. Alright, and my name is Ammara. The name of our poem is Nature. What do you mean by nature? Things which are not man-made, which are not made by us, such as plants, animals, birds, etc. So let's start. Listen, sing and act. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody. What do you mean by might? Might means it's very powerful. It is beautiful. It is moody. Moody means sometimes it is hot, sometimes it is cold, sometimes it rains. And that is why nature is called as moody. Nature is smart. Nature is blue. Nature is green. Nature is true. Smart, it means it has put so much detailing in everything. Blue, it represents the color of water. Green, it means green grass, trees. And true, like a true friend, it always helps us. Nature is you, nature is me. Nature will forever be free. We are also part of this nature, and whatever the things nature provides us, it is free. Whether it is sunlight, whether it is the shine of the moon, whether it is plant, trees, medicines, fruit, everything is free in nature. Now look and say, nature, might, strong, beauty, mood, smart, blue, green,